What will today's video bring? You gotta watch to find out. I am continuing my home decor decorating series, starting with my living room makeover. Come on in and watch, you will be amazed. Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to Shauna B. This is my home decor series on how I redecorated my living room and how I'm making it look luxurious using some very reasonably priced items. What I'm going to be doing is just continuing the decorating of my TV stand that I got from Walmart. Everything will be linked below that I can remember and that I can link, because most things I did repurpose. But you can use various items to make things look really good in your home. If you want to know where I started from, you will have to watch the very first video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And all of my returning subscribers, thank you for being very loyal. These vases were purchased at Dollar Tree, and I got, I think, two of them. The taller ones came from Walmart. All very reasonable. I did not spend more than $5. This mirror sticker, it's real glass, so be careful. It's from Shein. Cost about $3. I have silver and gold. If you watch my bathroom makeover, this is what I use to accent the walls in there, as well as my vanity that's in my bedroom. So I will be incorporating this here and there. So definitely stay tuned to see the finished results if you want to learn how to make your home look expensive without spending a lot of money. Like, it looks very luxurious to me based on where it came from. And just going with your color scheme helps. You know, when you're out and about, you can say, you know, I'm using silver and gold and cream, and just kind of stick with that. And you could throw a pop of color in there. That's why I chose my gold. The main colors is the silver and cream, or silver and white, whatever you want to call it. And the Pampas grass, if I didn't mention, is from Shein. Costs like $3 a bunch, if I remember right. So I will definitely link that below as well. The rocks are from Dollar Tree, and the silver paper is from Amazon that I use. And the table, you will see maybe 3 to 4 different designs throughout this series, because I couldn't really decide on what I wanted to keep it as. So it could be resilient against use in a toddler. So yeah, the final result that I have is what I kept. So if you see it looking different and other things looking different, it's just me changing my mind about things and doing things over to my satisfaction. So doing things over to my satisfaction. So continue to watch, ask questions if needed. If you want to know where something is from, feel free to hit me up. And I hope you are enjoying the series. I will have some more beauty content coming up, but I really haven't been doing anything to my hair or anything like that lately. I've just been focusing my mind on other things. I do have something that I want to share maybe in the next few weeks once I get the flow of things going. So stay tuned for that. And what you see me doing here is just blowing out the pampas grass because it's very compacted when you get it, so you just want to fluff it out. And I highly recommend to do this outside or in an area where you don't want these little flurries. As you saw, they were blowing everywhere. So yeah, this just helps fluff them out, and you will see at the end of how the finished results are. You can't really see the definition of them on the video, but I promise it's there. So just take a look at the picture that I post once I get through decorating this particular part to see how you fluff them out. Here's the proof of how it looks once you fluff them out. See, it's really fluffy. This is a top view opposed to just kind of like a side view, but this is how it really honestly looks when you look at it, very fluffed out. I don't want to make the videos too long and too boring, you know, like I'm trying to up my engagement. So like I said, I don't want to have 150 videos, but I don't want to be in too long, because I know people have other things to do, but I just enjoy sharing my content. So let me know what you think in today's video. Like, would you add anything? Would you take away anything? Do you like the colors? And definitely stay tuned. The next part is just going to be a continuation of what I'm doing here. And you're going to see me paint my trifold doors. I don't know if I decorated my closet on camera. I can't remember. And you're going to see me do some DIY things to some canvases and make some canvas art. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And once again, subscribe if you want to see more and have an entrance to what Shauna B posts. Thank you for being here, for your time and your patience. See you guys in the next upload. Bye.